A
Come
lot of people want
on.
to reign, but a lot of people
Come
don't want to
on.
suffer. But if you're going to walk with Jesus, you got to suffer in order to reign. So you've been going through ordained suffering. God ordained it. This person to betray you. That person to break your heart. This to be taken out your life. This to be a loss in your life. And God ordained it. And I heard the word of the Lord. He says the steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord.
Come
God said,
on.
I'm ordering your steps. So if he is ordering your steps, you're doing the will of the Father. But I want you to know there's a set time that the warfare in that season expires. All the warfare in every season has an expiration date. There's